Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Sketch and Craft. Today let's draw our favorite cartoon character Masa and the bear. Let's start with Masa. Draw a big curve oval. Now draw two small circles for her eyes inside the face. Add teeny dots inside each circle for the pupil. Draw a small curved line around her eyes for eyelashes. Now draw the nose under the eyes. Draw a wide smile below the nose. Now draw the hair. Draw a big hoodie around her face. A knot near the neck. Now draw her two small hands and fingers. Draw her beautiful dress. Now add some border or pattern in dress. For shoes, draw two small oval at the base of her dress and add the details. Next to Masa, draw a big oval for the nose. Now draw a curved circle. Inside her face, draw two small ovals for eyes. Make a big smiling mouth below the nose. Now draw bear's head. Draw two round ears on top of the head. Draw her arms on each side, make them thick and strong with a big rounded palm and add little lines for finger. Now draw the bear's tummy by making a big oval shape in the middle of his body. Draw two legs at the bottom, both thick and strong. Add big palm and draw claws with small curved lines. Now it's coloring time. I'm using pink color on Masa's hoodie, dress and shoes. You can use light color or peach color for the face. Use light brown color for Masa's hair. I'm using black or green color in eyes for cute look. Giving red border in dress. The details of shoes with yellow color. I'm using pink in mouth and red inside the mouth. You can use grey color or pencil shade for the top. Use black color for nose and eyes. Color the bear into brown. Color her tummy, mouth and ear in light yellow. Use black color on nails. Well done artist, we have completed the drawing. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe for more easy drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.